Welcome to ProKitchen Software online video tutorial series. In this video, we will explore export and import. We will locate export and import features, identify and utilize export options, and identify and utilize import options. A unique feature in ProKitchen software is the ability to export or import customer and design information to or from other software programs. Let's begin with the export options. Before exporting information, you will need to open the design you wish to export. To export information, navigate to the File tab at the top left of the ProKitchen window and left-click to open the file page. Hover down to and left-click on Export. The first option found in Export is ProKitchen, in which you have two export options available: Export Zip or RVO. Zip file export is utilized to export customer and design information from one device to another. This option may be utilized if you are using ProKitchen Standard and do not have access to cloud storage, or if you would like to back up your ProKitchen Online cloud settings to your computer, or share with ProKitchen Standard. When you left-click this, a dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you will be able to select which data will export to the zip file packet. To select or deselect an option, left-click in the box to the left to place or remove a check mark. Once you have completed making your selections, left-click OK. A new dialog box will appear containing your computer files. Navigate to your desired save location. Open the folder, then left-click Save. The RVO option is utilized to convert the 3D rendering to a full immersion experience with Oculus Quest 3D VR. This option, when selected, will launch the dialog box where you may save the RVO file to your computer for you to access and integrate with the Oculus Quest presentation and allow your customers to virtually walk through their design. In the QuickBooks option, you will see several export options available. The first two options will allow you to save the customer information or design, product, and pricing information as files to your computer to import into QuickBooks Desktop or online at any time. When either of these options are selected, again, the dialog box containing your computer files will appear, in which you may locate your QuickBooks folder and save the customer or design information. The next two options will allow you to transfer customer or design information with QuickBooks Web Connector for QuickBooks Desktop. When selecting the Desktop All Customers option, a dialog box will appear where you may select a customer or multiple customers' information to transfer by left-clicking in the box to the left of each customer's name. Then navigate to the bottom right corner of the dialog box and left-click Export. If you do not have QuickBooks Desktop open and running on your computer, you will be prompted to do so. When selecting the desktop current design, a new dialog box will appear where you may choose to include or exclude pricing for the design, adjust your pricing parameters for each catalog within the design in the catalog settings, and in export settings, select or deselect options which will be transferred. Again, when selecting export, you will want to ensure that your QuickBooks Desktop is open and running. If not, you will again be prompted to do so. The last two options found here will automatically convert and transfer your customer or design information into QuickBooks Online. You must be logged into your QuickBooks Online account for these options to function. For more information on how to integrate with QuickBooks, please visit the QuickBooks Integration video tutorials. The next three options will allow you to export your design files to alternative custom cabinetry design softwares, and will convert the ProKitchen DSG file into the appropriate format necessary for the selected option. In the AutoCAD option, there are two separate options for file conversion: DXF and DWG. DXF should be used when a drawing's basic elements need to be accessed and viewed by an application that is not capable of opening a DWG file. This file type may be used to export design information, not only to AutoCAD, but to any CAD software supporting the DXF format. DWG format is used when a drawing will be accessed only by AutoCAD or another program capable of opening the file, with all the design components intact. When selecting the SketchUp Export option, again the dialog box containing your computer files will appear, ready for you to save your design information into the .3ds file format. Locate your preferred location to save. Type the file name and left-click Save. Next, let's explore the import options. Before importing customer or design information, it is important to open a new design file for this information to transfer properly. To close the currently open design, left-click on the Close icon on the toolbar. Then left-click the New Design icon, which will launch the Design Settings dialog box. Type the design name and enter any additional information you wish to at this time. Then left-click OK. Now that a fresh design is open, navigate to the File tab and left-click. Hover down to and left-click on Import. The first option here is the ProKitchen import, where you may be able to import the zip file containing customer and design data that you have sent to yourself or have been sent to you by another designer. Left-click the zip icon to launch the dialog box. Locate your desired ProKitchen zip file. Left-click to highlight it in blue, and left-click Open. The GRP option will allow you to import saved solutions, which are saved configurations of cabinets and other items that you have transferred from one computer to another if you do not have access to cloud storage, or have been sent to you by other designers. These configurations, once imported, may be placed in any design with the Solutions icon found within the Draw in Place ribbon, and will save you time by not having to redraw this particular configuration of items. In the QuickBooks option, you will be able to import customer information from QuickBooks Desktop with QuickBooks Web Connector or from QuickBooks Online. Once again, ensure that you are logged in and active in the appropriate application prior to selecting either of these options. The next four options will allow you to select the appropriate file type for import by launching the dialog box containing your computer files. In the AutoCAD option, you will have the option to import either the DXF or DWG file formats. Mac users, you must select DXF file for importing purposes, so you will need to ensure that you have converted a DWG file into the DXF format prior to importing from AutoCAD. The EDF template refers to .edf file extensions available from various design or room measuring softwares. The InnoDraw import option will allow you to import rooms drawn with the InnoDraw software and will be covered more in depth in a separate video tutorial. ProKitchen's import and export integration features provide you with even more tools to transfer design and customer information. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. For more videos like this, please visit www.prokitchensoftware.com.